Hi, I'm Mike at OCD Lawn Care. We're here at Alex's lawn, a new build, very bad land, new build, throw the turf on, it's not settled, it's all lumpy bumpy, so hard work scarifying, taking out the tops and the humps. I think this is the last one I'll be doing this year in terms of full renovations, thank God. So to all my returning viewers, thank you very much. Thanks for watching the videos. It must be love, right? Love, love, as Sudsy once said. So we're going to get the fleece off and we'll do a hyperlatch that, and then we're going to mow it. So it's only 11 days old this, so 17th of this month, 17th of August. So it's going to be patchy because it's shady and a little bit of economy mixed on the top. So let's get a crack on the last one, thank God. Okay, I forgot to press the record button on the time lapse, so that's wonderful, isn't it? Very patchy, but different levels of growth at the back. Shady area here, always ringing wet. They are going to build the patio all across because they get no growth there. It's almost impossible. So I'm going to give this a blow with the Echo PB8010. This is like a motocross bike. So yeah, let's start this up, and I'm going to need the sound engineer to mute the noise of this thing. So I'm going to blow over the canopy and then I'm going to give it a mow, its first mow. It's only 11 days old, so bear with me. Pull the bike, get the bike going. Worm cast done, so let's get a mow on. Right, so there are some areas that are dry because it might be that the soil is a little bit hydrophobic and the water's running down, so I'm going to give it a quick mow and then I'm going to water in some wetting agent with some seaweed and a tiny little bit of nitrogen. I need to hurry up because if I don't, I'm going to need the headlights on. So let's go. Okay, so in here, as you can see, I've got some wetting agent and I'm going to twist that very gently and I'm going to treat these definitely hydrophobic. So I'm going to wash it with this and then I'm going to do a whole complete spray of this area, but we're just going to wash this in. So if you look here, I'll spray that over there. As I start to turn that, it'll just start to mist this way. Come on, Mike. See, now it's misting, right? So I'm putting out wetting agent now. So I'm going to squirt it into these areas. You can see on the soil, and I'm watering it in at the same time because this is the better one. We have rubbish flow here, so. It's a great way of putting in the wetting agent at a stronger rate. So if I show you now, if you come up close, can you see it foaming up? So that is the wetting agent going in. So you don't need that much in an area that needs to be watered in. But if you leave it, you can see we're getting it in there and it's going to take on the water instead of running down to the patio. So that's the problem I've got here. I knew I was going to have some problems. So yeah, so these guns are quite handy. You can twist it and put more out, but that is enough, and that's being watered in at the same time. It's handy for dry patch. So we'll show you that in another video. No more lawn renovation videos though, I don't think, this year. So we'll just be looking after the lawns that we've done, and this one included. So I'm just going to go round and spot some areas like that, and then get the knapsack. So I'm going to turn that off, and then I'm going to filter that away. So that's going into the soil now, much better, and it's not, the water is not running off. So I need to be careful because the seeds are low, like watercress as I say. So yeah, that's good. I'll do some other areas, and then you can see me spray out the liquid all over with my special MV juice, because it makes me green with MV. Right guys, to conclude, hydrophobic areas. There is grass there. If I can't get it, I might put some seed in there, a little bit of compost over the top, over here and up the back. But it's 11 days and this was absolutely hideous. So I will come back in here with a video in a few weeks time. So I need to just look after it. So it's got all the juice on it. And yeah, so outro with some music of the work I did, and you'll see how bad it was. It was pretty bad. But don't you just wait, I hate the way it lays the grass down on clay soils. Don't you love it? So I need it to respond. It's always a struggle. So yeah, about 4 or 5 mows, we should be there. So thanks for watching guys, and cue the music and the photos of the work and the lawn before I did the job. It was horrendous. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want, and I'll see you soon. Take care.